Hello, and welcome back to Backyard Birds Weekly. I got it. It's Sunday morning. I wasn't sure when I was going to shoot the vlog portion of this, just because I'm shaking up the schedule a bit. Ooh, got some doves. It was a pretty good week. Got some good pictures, I think. Haven't really edited them that, so I guess we'll find out. Let's see how close we can get. Very close. Unsteady hands. Right. Yeah. It's a very lovely morning. We are fast approaching hoodie and shorts weather, which is just fantastic weather. I had a blue jay making a ruckus in this tree, but I wasn't able to get a good picture of him before he flew off. Oh well. You saw it in the pictures last week, but there's the Nair seed sock that I put up. It hasn't gotten a lot of action since I put it up, so I wonder how that's gonna go. Yeah, I'm just enjoying the weather. This means I can spend more time outside to take pictures. Let's play with this a little bit. There's some birds in that tree over there. I don't know what they are. They look like finches. No. They're starlings, I think. Oh, I'll take a picture after this to confirm. I can't get a good zoom. I think they're starlings, though. Right. Keep on getting distracted. Yeah. I should have some fun pictures this week. Lettuce is over here hunting bees. She's very intent on that. Woodpecker update. I brought my camera to work every day to see if I can catch a glimpse of it in the morning, and I didn't see squat. Sad face. But that's okay. It was kind of silly to expect to see a woodpecker come to the same tree, more than once. I'll probably stop bringing my camera to work, which means I will probably see it at that point, but that's fine. We'll work on seeing a woodpecker closer here. Yeah? So, alright. Unless something amazing happens later today, this probably will conclude the blog portion of this. I will try to get some pictures of those guys here when I'm done. And, yeah, I don't know when I'll post this, but it should be within 24 hours. Yeah. That's it. I hope you guys have a wonderful, great day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.
Next level.